How to fix Scotiabank app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgot this network. And then give a fresh restart to your router, rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading to our next solution, close this. Launch your App Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Scotiabank and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading to our next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of general. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head over to the app Scotiabank. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store, search for the app Scotiabank. Once app appears, install it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Scotiabank app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.